Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how you can extract audio from a video in CapCut. Since nowadays CapCut has been a very popular editing app lately, and most people, especially TikTokers, has been using it to edit it. So you will learn how to extract audio from a video in CapCut. So in today's video I am going to show you can do all that by using CapCut, and the steps are quite actually simple. Simply start by opening your CapCut. And now that your CapCut is open, you can see that we have our recent videos we once worked on. So let's simply start by opening new project. And now that the new project is open, you can see that we have been given the option to select the video you would like to edit. So simply select the one you like. And now as you can see, your video has been opened in the proper tools for editing. So now this is where we are going to extract audio from our video. So to do that, simply come and then click on the editing button. And now as you can see, you have been presented with even more tools to work with. And now you can extract audio from your video anywhere you like from here. So let's simply come and then slide on the left. And the come to on this button which says extract. And now after clicking it, you can see that you have been given your audio next to your video. And if you play, you will hear that it's your former sound that has been extracted from your video. So from now on you can extract audio from your video however you want. And if you wanted, you would go back and then get it back to normal. So that was it for today. Thanks for watching. And if you are new, please make sure you subscribe.